Hi everybody, it's Scott with Tours of Cleveland, day 5 of our trivia contest. So let's give you the answers to yesterday's questions. Yesterday dealt with Rockefeller. First question was what was the name of Rockefeller's church? And that would be Euclid Avenue Baptist Church. That was known as Rockefeller's Church, and it was located in the corner of Euclid Avenue and East 18th. Second question dealt with a young boy that Rockefeller had scolded. He was buying a newspaper from him, didn't have exact change. The boy offered him on credit, and Rockefeller gave him a little business lesson. That boy would grow up to be none other than Mr. Bob Hope. Bob does actually recount that story in an interview that he had done in Rolling Stone magazine. So those are our two Rockefeller questions from yesterday, Euclid Avenue Baptist Church and Bob Hope. So let's move on to today's questions, and we're going to go to the movies for our questions today. First question, the Ohio Theater offered something called a faint check to anyone who passed out while they were watching what horror film in 1929? Second question, also dealing with the movies. What downtown Cleveland movie theater, which today is a parking garage, was the first movie theater in all of Ohio to have air conditioning in 1928? So what was that movie playing at the Ohio, where they offered a faint check for in 1929 if you passed out while you're watching it? And second one was basically, what is the first movie theater in Ohio to have air conditioning in 1928? Remember, leave your answers in the comment section below. Good luck, have fun, enjoy yourself, and thanks for playing along, and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.